So this is the site now. For example, someone wants to book a flight now. Click on this book a flight. Click on this book a flight. It brings them here. When they click on apply now, it tells them to enter passcode. And this is because as it works, I think it's next of kin that would be able to book the flight for them. So before they can book a flight, they have to first of all apply for the next of kin. So when they click on this next of kin or say apply here, it will take them to a place where they can fill the form for to fill the next of kin and then submit it. So when they submit it, you will get it in your email. So you can now reply that email with a particular passcode that they can use to book the flight. So that once they enter the passcode here, once they enter the passcode here and click enter, it will take them to the form they will fill to book they will use to book the flight. So this code to get this code is done from the admin. So what you practically do in the admin is that in the admin that code, if you go here and say update passworded pages, if you click on it, you can see this application form password protected. So it's this one now that you have to set a code that you want. So I clicked on edit. Now if you see here password protected, you click on edit, you see the code here. You can change it. So after changing, you click OK, then click on update. So once you got that code that you set there is what you will use to them, give to them. That's the code they will use to be able to apply for next of kin. Another one is the officer profile. If you want to add a profile for an officer, for example, just you don't need to do much. Don't start adding again. You can just edit. Duplicate. So once you click on duplicate, now for example, it will duplicate the one that is there already. So you just have to change the names again. Change the name to another thing. When you change the name, whatever name you put here, you can just copy it and then change this link to, then click OK. So all these things, you can change all this right up to suit whatever you want. Don't change this link, just leave it as it is. Change this right up. Come here, change this image. You can click this X to delete, then upload your own. Change it, add an officer number. This officer number is what they will use to search. Is what they will use to search for the person, you know. So this is it. So once you're done with all this officer information, just click. You can want to select any of all these job titles if you want, but it's not compulsory. But you can select them, add it if you want them. So once you're done with all that, you just can fill all this form: divorce, marriage, single, whatever, full time, part time. You can add more. Once you're done with all that, you just click on publish. So once you click on publish, it saves. So that's how it is. So for example, now when a user wants to search, if I copy this officer number now, and then I go to the website, you can see a search officer number here. If I click on it, if I put the number, it will search out the officer for me. So if I click on it now, so this is how it is. So just like the next of kin can now come to check for their officer details. So that's how it is. They can now from there now apply for a welfare for that person. So you can see it says enter passcode, and it says you can only complete the process by providing a valid passcode which was assigned to you via email after applying as a next of kin. So before they can access this, they can apply anything: care pack, leave application, book a flight, call card, medical key. Before they can apply all those things, they have to first of all register as next of kin, which you get the registration details in your email. From there you can reply them however you want. So that is practically how it is. It's not really all that hard. So that's all. Every other thing just ignore this.